Welcome back to MindShift Media, the space where we explore the inner workings of our minds and discover practical tools to navigate the beautiful, messy journey of life. I'm your host, Teodor, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today. Have you ever felt like you're carrying a backpack filled with stones from your past? Each stone represents a regret, a disappointment, a painful memory. It weighs you down, makes each step forward feel heavier, and clouds your vision of what lies ahead. You're not alone. Many of us find ourselves tethered to yesterday, making it difficult to truly embrace the possibilities of today and tomorrow. Today, we're going to unpack that backpack. We'll explore why letting go of the past can feel like such a monumental task, and more importantly, we'll uncover actionable strategies to release those burdens and step into a fresh, lighter, and more hopeful start. This isn't about forgetting the past, but about learning from it, making peace with it, and freeing yourself from its hold. So, if you're ready to trade those heavy stones for wings, let's dive in. Why is it so darn hard to let go? Our brains are wired to remember. Memories, especially those tied to strong emotions, get deeply etched into our neural pathways. This served an evolutionary purpose. Remembering danger helped us survive. However, in our modern lives, this same mechanism can keep us stuck in cycles of rumination and pain. Think about it. You might replay a difficult conversation in your head countless times, each replay reigniting the original feelings of hurt or anger. Or perhaps a past failure whispers doubts in your ear every time you consider a new venture. These echoes of the past can shape our present thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, often unconsciously. Sometimes we hold on to the past because it feels familiar, even if it's painful. It's a known quantity, and stepping into the unknown of a fresh start can feel scary. We might fear repeating mistakes, facing judgment, or simply leaving behind a part of our identity, even if that identity is tied to past hurts. I remember a time in my own life when a professional setback left me feeling inadequate for months. Every new opportunity felt like a potential repeat of that failure. It wasn't until I consciously started to challenge those ingrained thoughts and actively focus on my present skills and future aspirations that I began to break free from that past experience. Recognizing these underlying reasons, the brain's memory mechanisms, the comfort of the familiar, and the fear of the unknown, is the first crucial step in loosening the grip of the past. It allows us to approach the process of letting go with more understanding and compassion for ourselves. Now, let's move from understanding to action. Letting go isn't a passive process. It requires conscious effort and a willingness to engage with our past in a new way. Here are some practical steps you can take to release the burdens of yesterday and embrace a fresh start. 1. Acknowledge and allow your feelings. The first step is always awareness. Don't try to suppress or ignore the emotions connected to your past. Allow yourself to feel them. Sadness, anger, regret, without judgment. Think of these feelings as messengers. What are they trying to tell you? Journaling can be incredibly helpful here. Write down your thoughts and feelings about past events. Simply acknowledging them can begin to lessen their power over you. 2. Reframe your narrative. Our past experiences often shape the stories we tell ourselves about who we are and what we're capable of. But are those stories serving you? Challenge your narrative. Can you look at past events from a different perspective? What lessons did you learn? How did you grow? Reframing doesn't mean sugarcoating the past, but it means finding meaning and growth within it. For instance, a past failure might be reframed as a valuable learning experience that ultimately led you to a better path. 3. Practice forgiveness of others and yourself. Holding on to resentment is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. Forgiveness is not about condoning past actions, but about freeing yourself from the emotional burden of anger and bitterness. This includes forgiving yourself for past mistakes. We all make them. Self-compassion is key here. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend in a similar situation. 4. Focus on the present moment. The past is gone and the future is not yet here. The only moment we truly have is now. Cultivating mindfulness through practices like meditation or even simply paying attention to your senses can help anchor you in the present. When your mind starts to wander to past regrets or future anxieties, gently bring your attention back to the here and now. 5. Set intentions for the future. Embrace the excitement of a fresh start by consciously setting intentions for what you want to create in your life moving forward. What are your goals? What kind of person do you want to be? Focusing on the future pulls your energy forward and reduces the pull of the past. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the future feel less daunting and more attainable. 6. Create new experiences. One of the best ways to break free from the past is to actively create new, positive experiences. This could be anything from trying a new hobby to connecting with new people or exploring a different place. These new experiences help build fresh neural pathways and create new memories that aren't tied to the past. 7. Seek support when needed. Letting go of the past can be a challenging process, and it's okay to ask for help. Talking to a trusted friend, family member, therapist, or life coach can provide valuable support, perspective, and tools to navigate this journey. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. These steps are not a magic wand, but consistent practice can make a significant difference in your ability to release the grip of the past and embrace the possibilities of a fresh start. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and remember that healing and growth are ongoing processes. Embracing a fresh start isn't about pretending the past never happened. It's about acknowledging it, learning from it, and choosing to move forward with intention and hope. It's about recognizing your resilience, your capacity for growth, and your power to create a fulfilling future. Think of a garden. If you want new flowers to bloom, you need to clear away the old, withered leaves and prepare the soil. Letting go of the past is like tending to your inner garden, creating space for new growth, new experiences, and new possibilities to flourish. This fresh start is an opportunity to redefine yourself, to align your life with your values, and to pursue your dreams with renewed energy and clarity. It's a chance to write a new chapter in your story, one that is not dictated by past hurts, but inspired by present intentions and future aspirations. So, take a deep breath. Acknowledge where you've been, appreciate the lessons learned, and open your heart and mind to the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. You have the strength, the resilience, and the capacity to create the fresh start you desire. Thank you for joining me today on MindShift Media. I hope this episode has provided you with some valuable insights and practical steps to help you let go of the past and embrace a brighter future. What are some of the things you're ready to let go of? What does a fresh start look like for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you and building this supportive community. If you found this episode helpful, please like this video, subscribe to MindShift Media for more empowering content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future discussions. Remember, the power to shift your mind and create a life you love lies within you. Until next time, take care and keep shifting your perspective.